This event is really good for our customers. Everybody wants to hear about Amazon, AWS, generative AI. Our customers, they're very interested in the topic. We're very interested in the topic. And I think we're at that tipping point where people are starting to understand what it can really bring to their customers.
I think this event helps our customers by giving them ideas that they can apply to their own businesses. And so we don't focus on just talking about AWS services. We try to talk about how other customers have built their applications and also move quicker on things like generative AI and in other areas where our customers are just wanting to move as fast as possible, and we want to see how we can help them.
This event helps the overall team. We've got our technical people here, but we got some of our user people here as well. They want to see what other companies are doing to see what track that we're on.
The event has been excellent. There's a wide range of both customers and vendors here and experts from Amazon.
The event has been incredible. The venue has been amazing. The people have been amazing. And it started so many conversations with so many different new customers. It's been really great to meet new people.
It's been a great experience so far, and it's been wonderful to be able to share this time with our customers and get their ideas going on how to transform their businesses with AI.
I'm here because we got to see what's happening at the cutting edge. Some of the talks really interesting and accessible to a non-techie like me.
So we have speakers like Workhuman, Tranix, Ryanair, InQ Data, and they're all talking about generative AI and how they're benefiting from that.
This event helps our team by exposing them to the new services that are coming onto Amazon platform and talking through how they can help us build great products.
And certainly, it's about bringing the innovation that we can discuss and innovate for the customers here today. It's fantastic.